Okay, both of you winner.
Both winner.
Last one. All participants will dance and I will choose who's the best dancer and another one is winner.
Ito alam, mag-question ko. Gano'n natin yung isang tao kung sino ang makakalimuto. Siya ang